Well, I guess I'm gonna start the party. I want to say thank you to everybody for coming and showing up. Thank you for being here. Thank you to my family that drove 5 hours and surprised me to be here. This has been a journey. From the beginning, we got here and we were ready to graduate, and now that we are here, it's something different. My journey from the beginning to the end has been not easy, but through the support of my family and my friends, my lifelong friends, we made it. We're graduating. Woo. I'm so grateful to be on this journey. I'm grateful for all the lessons I've learned. I'm grateful for all of the case docs for always giving feedback and always taking the time to teach us. I really appreciate all the professors and the case docs that implanted their energy and their time and their knowledge into me. I really appreciate you guys. And with that, I'm gonna stop crying and
oh, this is crazy. I feel like we have been sprinting towards this moment since orientation. And now that we're here, like Sinia said, it feels different, yeah. I feel like we're standing at this cliff that we've been racing towards out in the big wide world. And I'm super excited to jump and to spread my wings, but it is not without a lot of fears that I will be leaving this place. Sherman has given me two things. And the first thing is the people. Here we go. The people that you meet here, like she said, they're lifelong. My doc from back home told me, she warned me. She said the people that you meet at chiropractic school, they're different. They're the people that will be next to you on your wedding day, that will be there for the birth of your children, they'll be at your bedside when you need them. And I know that to be true. And I am so overwhelmingly grateful for that. And the second thing is the privilege and the honor to get to leave this place and do what I feel like I was put here on this earth to do. And that is to serve. And that is to be able to lay my hands on people and help them heal and help them experience more of what they were put here to do. And that truth is so overwhelming and amazing. And I couldn't have done it without the support of all of you, without all the professors in Scallon that filled our heads until I swore that they were gonna pop. All the case docs down here that were so supportive and encouraging and never let me feel like I was a failure even when I couldn't move a C2 to save my life. And the people that I've spent the last 3.5 years with, late nights and the early mornings and the tears of anger and frustration and grief and the tears of joy and laughter and overwhelming gratitude. And I just want you all to know that every molecule of support that you have poured into me, into all of us, is not in vain. And when we leave this place, when we leave and we spread our wings, know that we take all of that with us. And we take all of your support, and I cannot wait to make all of you so proud. So, oh my God. Sorry, baby.
You got it.
So I thought that if I cried last night,
wouldn't have anything left. So I was wrong. But I cannot believe this time is already come and gone. Like, I cannot believe it's time for me to go. I'm not ready to go. I'm so not ready to go. I still have patients next week. But I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. I came here not knowing what to expect. I didn't grow up in chiropractic. I kind of stumbled upon it as I was going through my life journey. I've lived many, many lives. I've done a lot of things. But I'm grateful that I found chiropractic when I did, because it has been just so amazing for me. And I am a big visualization person. I see myself doing so many amazing things, and it's just crazy to think that this wasn't on my radar 5 years ago, and then next thing you know, it all of a sudden is. And I'm so grateful for the opportunity to do something that I absolutely love. And I hope that all of you guys are doing something that you absolutely love, because we're wasting our time otherwise. I toured another school, which shall not be named, but they have a street that's my last name, Barclay, right? And I said, it's destiny, I have to go here, you know. They had like what we call Showcase Sherman. They had like a leadership weekend, right? And I stood up because I got accepted, and I was like, see you guys in January 2020. And then I didn't show up. Somebody said, have you thought about going to Sherman? And I was just like, where is that? It's in Spartanburg. I'm from Columbia, 90 minutes down the road. I had not heard of this place. So I got to Showcase Sherman, like, I want to say it was in August. It was the best time. I mean, I had an amazing time at the other place. So much so, I got up and made a speech. And then I came here, and I felt the warmth, I felt the love. I felt included, I felt like family. And from that point on, I just knew it had to be here. So much so, I came the next month. So I'm grateful for that. I want to thank our amazing clinic staff and our faculty, Princess and Caroline. Like, I cannot thank you guys enough. They really do make this thing run, and I just want to say thank you for always accommodating me at the last minute sometimes. But always making sure I got an odd number room. Y'all know B5, whoever goes in B5, think about me, because that's my place. But thank y'all so much for everything that you do. And I just hope and pray that whoever runs my front desk is just, I mean, if they're half of what you guys are, then I'm gonna be okay. My case doctors, Dr. Duvall, Dr. Hudson. I remember coming downstairs being so excited to be here, and I want to say one of my first adjustments, I wanted to take 3 segments. And Dr. Hudson was like, hold on. So I just felt like I knew that I was in good hands, and I have been ever since. So thank you guys so much for everything y'all done for me, for my classmates, and for making the clinic a fun and enjoyable experience. I've had the time of my life down here. Thank you so much. To my teachers, I have had an amazing time, but for me personally, 6th quarter was really hard for me. I lost my dog, on top of 6th quarter being hard in general. But I had some amazing friends, some amazing teachers who like just stood by me in that time and gave me the time that I needed. I will never forget that. And I think about it often, so thank y'all for that. Dr. Princess, my favorite. Y'all, this is a national treasure. Y'all protect this woman. I love you so much. To my friends, to the ambassadors. Woo! Thank y'all so much. I feel like I already had family, but coming here and becoming an ambassador, the thing that helped me to make my decision to come here, it's been the most amazing thing to impact people and then see them start the program and remember you and your story. So guys, please don't take that time for granted. Time is a thief. I mean, do not blink. It'll be over before you know it. Okay. To everyone that's my patients, to my friends, to my family, like, I love all of y'all so very much, and I just wish that I could just bottle this feeling and like have a little bit of it every single day. Like, I just don't, it's indescribable. I don't even know like how I could ever like have this again, but I know that I will, because that's just how life goes, right? To my friends, Sanaya, Gracie, Soma, man, we have been down since literally day one of this. And I want to say thank you to y'all for just standing in the gap for me, for encouraging me. Y'all, I've been here for 3 years. I may have cooked in my kitchen 10 times. My friends feed me, they take care of me, and it is such an amazing feeling. So I love y'all so much, so much. So my girl. Listen, time is a thief. It'll be over before you know it. And I'm proud of you for everything that you've gone through, for pushing through, and just know we're gonna be right back here for your ring out, for your graduation, okay? So without further ado, I think y'all ready for me to stop talking. I love each and every one of y'all, and I cannot wait to refer to each and every one of y'all in whatever state you go to, because I know that you guys went to Sherman, the unicorn of the South, and that you got no better chiropractors out there than us, so.